Hey members, it's Richie here, head of community at Cryptonary. Now you've asked, I'm going to deliver the tutorials that you want. Today we're going to be looking at Swell, and all we need to get started is just a little bit of ETH, and I'm going to show you that process from the start to the very end. It's so interesting. As we know, airdrops, it's one of the best ways to be getting free money essentially. Let's jump in. Friends, let's do this. Just delete a couple of tabs there. We need to get onto the swellnetwork.io. Always go through official links. I will be posting them just below this video. Nobody wants to get scammed. Let's go into stake. It's going to bring us up to the app.swellnetwork.io. We have two options, stake and voyage. We constantly need to click yes, proceed. Now we need to connect our wallet. We have a couple of options here. We're going to have MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Coinbase Wallet. I'm going with MetaMask today. I already have some ETH staked on there. Make sure it shows the correct address, and then we're going to go in. I'm looking to stake a little bit of ETH today just to top up. You can see there is a discrepancy between the Ethereum and the Swell token. That's because if you look at the APR, there is a 5% yield percentage, and that is included. When we are withdrawing, when it comes to Q3, Q4, when the project goes live and the token is launched, you will receive a 1-to-1 ratio of what you originally staked in ETH. Let's go, let's confirm it in our MetaMask wallet. Take into consideration gas fees as well. I'll drop the link for the Etherscan so you can take a look at the gas fees. As we know, with Ethereum network, this can be problematic at times. So make sure you're going at a time of very, very low activity when the blockchain is not congested. And we're all done. The staked ETH turns into the Swell token. Now let's head on over. Let's take a look at the Voyage page. This is our dashboard, and it's going to show us, the time, the countdown until the bonus, the amount of pearls that we are collecting. For example, these are kind of like air miles that we're getting as a bonus, and they're only going to increase the airdrop that we receive in Q3/Q4. Then we can head on over to the blog. Yes, we need to proceed, no problem. It's very, very simple. It's very easily explained. I'm sure it won't be a problem for anyone. However, if you do have any questions about the Swell token, the Swell Voyage, or the project itself and the airdrop, then be sure to let us know in the chats.